Hello everyone, this is Ketisha. In this video, I'm going to go through the AQA Combined Science Biology Higher Tier, Paper 2 from 2023. Question number 4 is on ecology. Sea lice are small animals that feed on the skin and blood of salmon fish. Figure 3 shows sea lice attached to the skin of a salmon. Oncorhynchus chaeta. So you can see the skin of the salmon and the sea lice, which here, that's the sea lice which is over here, shaped like that. And there's another one here. They look like tadpoles. Right. So, what is the genus name of salmon? Now, salmon, they have given the name here. This is the genus name, and this is the species name. So, Oncorhynchus is the genus name. Which domain are sea lice classified in? Now, domains, all organisms, all living things on Earth are divided into 3 domains. This was done by Carl Woese. He divided all living organisms into bacteria, archaea, and eukaryota. So here's a simple diagram to show you. So let me make that big. So bacteria, archaea, and eukaryota. Eukaryotes or eukaryota is under which we belong as well, under animals. Eukaryotes, under eukaryotes, you have plants, animals, fungi, and protists. Now, salmon and sea lice belong to eukaryota. Some salmon have genes that result in fewer sea lice attaching to the skin. Describe how fish farmers have selectively bred salmon that sea lice cannot attach to. How do you selectively breed salmon? So, you choose a male and a female salmon with no sea lice attached to them, or very little sea lice attached to them, and you breed them. And once you breed them, you have a look at all the offsprings, and you choose offsprings without any sea lice attached to them, and you breed them again, and you keep on breeding this until that all the salmon are without any sea lice attached to them. So here's how you'd answer it. Select fish that have or get least or less or no attachment of sea lice. Breed them together. Select the offspring that have least sea lice attached to them and breed them together. Repeat over many generations until all offspring have no sea lice attached to them. Explain the advantages of salmon farmers of producing salmon that do not have sea lice attached to their skin. What is the advantage of producing salmon with no sea lice attached to them? Well, if there is no sea lice attached to the skin of the salmon, then the salmon are going to be healthy. If they are healthy salmon, then they would grow faster as well, which means that you can actually sell them for more money. So, sea lice will not be feeding on salmon skin or the blood, so salmon will grow faster or larger, so salmon can be sold for more money. Next question. Explain the disadvantage of selectively breeding salmon. Do not refer to the cost or to time in your answer. One of the disadvantages of selectively breeding animals or salmon is that if one of them gets a specific disease, then that disease can spread through the rest of the population really fast. And selectively breeding means that you are trying to isolate specific genes. The problem is that sometimes you get unwanted genes which have disadvantaged features, for example, inherited disease. So, all fish are genetically similar, therefore they all may have the same inherited disorder or defect, or therefore prone or be susceptible to same disease. Or you could say, because they are genetically similar, They lack variation to survive future environmental change. That brings us to the end of question number 4, and I will see you in question number 5.